Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. Today though, it is my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of October. Alright, if you're unfamiliar with the OG, the original Ipsy Glam bag, this is $14 monthly. It is a beauty subscription where you get 5 travel, try me size items, and we do get to choose one of those items as our choice as subscribers. I do have my actual bag here and I did get a couple of add-ons, hence the larger bag. I have received the standard original Ipsy Glam bag since March of 2015. I love it, and I'm a big fan of subscription boxes for several reasons. First and foremost, they are honestly what has helped me build an actual collection, if you will. I'm able to try and test different brands, skincare, hair care, makeup, all of the above, for a very affordable price. Then I can kind of opt to pay full price if I really fall in love with those products. And more specifically for the Ipsy Glam bag, the regular one, I like to get the bags and I like to get travel sizes because we do go to visit our son quite frequently. So I enjoy getting the bag. And I do love the actual bag for this month. I do receive a PR package also from Ipsy Glam bag. This one I pay for myself. But the bag this month, y'all, they nailed it. Our theme for the month is Beauty Nightmares. Then inside, it should tell us what we have in the package, which I also appreciate. And here is the freaking bag for the month of October. I love this bag. All right on top, I see something in bubble wrap, which always means makeup. This is the Moon Slice Beauty Blush in the shade Beautiful. I did also receive this in my PR package, which I'm actually giving away. That's up in a previous video as a giveaway. Let me open this up if I can get it open, and I'll show it to you guys. And I'd like to know too, what are your favorite subscription boxes? I'd like to maybe try some that are kind of a little bit off the beaten path, if you will. And you can see it's a beautiful pink shade. You know, I've really tried most of, if not all of the kind of more standard popularized ones, but I'd really like to try some different ones. I'd like to try some that are maybe, I don't know, just something a little bit different, not the standard bag, if you will. Next up, I have a Pure Heals by Nature Village Centella 80 eye cream. Next is the Hey Honey Love Your Body Shea Butter and Honey Body Lotion. I actually got a couple of these in the last time that I did like add-ons and stuff like that, or like the pop-up shop thing, and it doesn't smell good. Like, I've been trying to use it up because I use a hand cream every single night before bed and I just keep it on my nightstand. I don't know if it's the honey part that's in there is not smelling kind of as natural to me as I'm used to, like honey smelling, or if mine is off, but it does not smell very good. So I'm gonna maybe open this one and smell and see how that one smells. Next up is the Bobbi Brown, the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I also got one of these in my PR package and did pass that along as well. I do not like this. I think it is too heavily fragrance for me and I do not like the texture of it. And then last but not least, oh, what a cutie, is a mini Fenty, I should have worn my glasses, sorry guys. The Fenty Icon in the shade The MVP. And I am a big fan of their lip products. Let me see if it is one I think I would use. Oh, it's almost like the darker twin sister cousin of the lipstick I'm wearing today. Ooh, that's gonna be beautiful. So I got 2 makeup products and then 3 skincare products. So for me, that's a banger. I enjoy the selection that I got. I do have a preference for skincare on my profile, so I like that. I think I'm gonna give it 5 out of 5. Even though I'm not sure about that lotion and I know I wouldn't use this, I think it was actually a really good curated box or bag, and then I love the bag. Quickly for my little add-ons, if you're unaware, you can go in and shop their add-ons and it will be sent right with your package. And I opted to just go with a bunch of like the little 350 ones. I'm pretty sure all of the ones I got were 350. Let me get everything out. And first up, I got a couple little palettes from Pacifica. This is kind of an OG thing. Like, I remember these back literally from 2017, 2018, 2019. I got the highlight and blush palette, so I'll show you what that looks like. And I thought that they had great formulas and stuff like that. I really like the packaging and stuff with these. I always felt like they were like pretty pigmented and stuff like that too. And I like that the back of it's like a little mirror. So there's the packaging up close. And then there's our palette up close. And again, we travel a lot to go see our son. So I like stuff like this because I can throw in a mini palette, throw this in and a couple little extra products. I could also use this as eyeshadow. And then I also got the Cherry Gold highlighter and blush. And there's the unit carton for that one. And the actual palette. So super excited to have those. Next up, and my bag was kind of open, so I'm gonna have to double check my order. I'm almost positive I ordered 2 of these because I'm kind of in between shades. But this is the Thread Beauty, the Face It Complexion Stick, and I got light neutral warm shade 40. It was just a mini, but I really wanted to test it out again, especially for travel. But I could swear y'all, I got 2 of those. Next up is the Real Her I Am Magical Lip Care Oil. And I have gone through multiple of their brow pencils and I love them. And then last up, I picked a couple little goodies from Tatcha. I grabbed the Rice Wash Soft Cream Cleanser, again to take for travel. And then the Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair Cream. I have heard rave reviews about this and I'm definitely not paying full price for it to not be good. If you've tried this, if you've tried any of these, please let me know. But those were all of my little add-ons. Thank you guys so much for joining. Are we bag twins? What did you get in your bag? What are your favorite subscription boxes? Thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe and join my beauty family. I'd love to have you here. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.